Are you getting false alarms from your smoke detectors? In this short video, I'll explain what can cause them and how to easily fix it, or at least give you an effective way to prevent random alarms. So about 2 years ago, I replaced all the smoke detectors in my house, about 8 in total. But over the past few months, 3 of them had gone off in the middle of the night for no reason. I thought maybe I received a bad batch of detectors. But with further research, I found that the false alarm could be caused by dust and debris in the sensor. While that's true, I found the real reason my detectors were randomly going off. So shortly after I took down the smoke detector that had the false alarm, I saw a spider crawl out of it. That's when I realized the spider triggered the alarm. Look at this shot of another detector in my house. You can see a cobweb going from the wall directly to the smoke detector. And I think this one had a false alarm recently as well. The fix is to grab a bottle of compressed air like this, and I'll list this in the description so it's easy for you to find. Then use it to blow out any dust, cobwebs, bugs, or debris that might be inside. I have to admit that this is the first time I've done this, even though I hear about cleaning it all the time. So keep this in mind if you get random false alarms, especially in the middle of the night. Blowing out or vacuuming up smoke detectors every so often can help prevent false alarms in the future. And here are some final notes. If a smoke detector continues to have false alarms, chirps even with new batteries, or is more than 8 to 10 years old, it's actually time to replace it. Also, for this particular kitty unit, the manual says that if the LED blinks twice every 30 seconds, that's the end of life indicator and it needs to be replaced. I've actually seen this with one of my old detectors, but check your smoke detector's manual for more accurate error messages. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my DIY videos.